You awake? How you doing?
I can't feel my fingers.
What, you serious? Why? What's the matter?
No, I'm fine. Just squeezing them really tight.
Sorry.
What time is it?
It's 1:30. Been asleep for hours. We were really worried about you. You're in a very bad way. Thought that you were gonna, you know.
Hey. I'm all right. My leg's been better, but it'll take more than a head case with a letter opener to finish me off. Besides, it's just a scratch.
Yeah, right, well, something that's just a scratch. There was an awful lot of blood in the back of the ambulance.
How's everybody else?
Yeah, good. Especially Sally, yes. She's acting like she's the hero. She's telling everybody that she taught Mick down. She's probably at home now trying on outfits, practicing a speech for the Pride of Britain Awards. Are you all right?
Nurse,